Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Tamaria Loc'd and I go by Tamaria Loc'd on all my socials, so feel free to follow me on any of your favorite platforms. Today we're going to be diving into some energies and also some messages for some specific zodiac signs. The way I'm going to do my reading is I am going to take these two dice. One has all of the zodiac signs on there and then the other one is just numbers. So of course we're going to pick a sign, we're going to pick a number, we're going to use that number to shuffle the energy of the cards. We're going to do a 3-card general reading, so just take whatever resonates with you and then leave the rest at the door or share it with somebody else, however you may see fit. So let's just go ahead and get into our next zodiac sign. All right, Divine, who do we have a message for today? Who do we have a message for right now? All right, so we have Aquarius and we also have 8 on the dice. All right, so Divine, please help me to channel a message of guidance, inspiration, and help me to pull this message from pure intentions for our Aquariuses today. Since it is 8 shuffles, if you want to go ahead and fast forward through the shuffles, I completely understand. But yeah, let's go. Also, at the end of your message, I do want to go ahead and leave off on a positive note with a affirmation card. So watch till the end so that you can get a positive affirmation for the day to meditate on. All right, Aquarius, so your first card is the 5 of Swords. So the energy from this card, Aquarius, is that either you could have just defeated someone, either within work or a relationship or a friendship, or you could be feeling defeated by any of those particular situations. The person in the front is the one who has defeated the people that are walking away. I'm not sure if you can see them. Let's see. So there's 2 people walking away. They've lost their energy to fight back. They've dropped their swords. So you could have lost some type of opportunity, some type of relationship, and you could be in an energy of feeling defeated. Anytime that there's swords within a reading, anytime that you pull swords, it really has to do with the way a person is thinking. So although this energy does come with defeat, it's more of a mental struggle that the person is going through, rather something that is really, truly, and completely defeating them in their reality. So mentally, you could be feeling like you've lost everything and you don't have the energy or the will to continue. But like I said, it's mental. it's more of a mental energy than an actual reality energy. So just do what you need to do in order to come out. So just do what you need to do in order to overcome whatever it is that you feel like you've lost or been defeated against. So let's just go ahead and move on to the second card. All right, so the second card, we have the Knight of Cups. So this energy is someone who's very dreamy. You could be in a very dreamy state of energy. It could be about romance. It could be about beginning a new project. But the Cup card it's pertaining to emotions. So you have some emotional aspects that you could be going through right now. You're not really focused on what you need to do as far as moving forward with these feelings and emotions. It could be a new fling, it could be a new lover, but however, because it's just like a dreamy energy that you're in, and it's a night energy. Nights really represent something that's young and youthful. It's not something that you're probably going to take too serious, or that the other person is going to take too serious. It's just something that is just there for the moment. So with this energy, I would just say take it for what it is, but don't over invest in it unless you and the person feel like there's a need to, without us actually putting any type of actions into our fantasies and our dreams, then they don't really go anywhere. So that's what I have for that card, that particular energy. Some type of romance going on, or you could just be in a state of just dreaming about wanting to maybe be in a romantic interest with someone, but not actually make any type of moves towards it. Or you could be dreaming about like certain goals or things that you want to do with your life, but you're not putting the action forth. So basically you're in a dream state, but you're not moving forward on the dream to make it a reality. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the last card for you, Aquarius. All right, Aquarius, so we have the Ten of Swords. So there's a lot of emotional, mental energy going on throughout the entire read. Each card, it's like you're kind of stuck in your head. With this Ten of Swords, it's basically signifying that you're ready for a new beginning. The Ten of Swords is not someone who is like hurt and dead. The Ten of Swords is just really someone that is just kind of in a delusion that everything is worse than what it really seems. And we all know that it only takes one sword to kill someone, and the fact that this person has 10 swords in their back is them basically being dramatic to the things that are going on around them and to them, making it seem like no one has had a life that's more harder than theirs and they've struggled so much. When in actuality, this is all in the person's mind. However, since it is the 10 of Swords, it is signifying that there is an end to this type of agony and this type of pain, and that, you know, eventually the person will resurrect and have a stronger sense of self and of reality. So all of that is what I have for you today, Aquarius. Let's go ahead and find an affirmation card for you to go ahead and reflect on for the day. But a lot of this is all in your mind, so make sure you are balancing your actions, and also make sure that you are being aware and conscious of your thought patterns, because it seems like you're kind of just stuck in your head about a lot of things right now. So maybe you should get a little bit active and maybe work out, pick up a new hobby, go out with a friend, or if you do have a lover, take your lover out, express some of the things that you're feeling. But yeah, let's see what affirmation card we can pull for you today, Aquarius. All right, so let's see. All right, so the affirmation card that I have for you says, when my dreams feel scary, it means I'm on the right path. When my dreams feel scary, it means I'm on the right path. When my dreams feel scary, it means I'm on the right path. So Aquarius, that is what I have for your reading today. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of your future messages. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.